What's up guys, I'm Queenie from Hokolite. Today I'd like to share my favorite gear, and it is very light and portable. Which you can see it is very tiny, and the length is only about 20 centimeters, and it can rotate. And we also got two strong magnetics at the bottom and also a 1/4 screw mount. And you can stick it to your construction side tripod or some kind of tripod, so it can have your preferred length. And it is time to check the lighting mode. We could see there's three kinds of options here. It is spotlight mode, it is shut off button, and it is a button to adjust the brightness. So let's check the lighting mode. For the first is single light, dual light, red strobe, and we can simply adjust the brightness at the right button, like very high, medium, and low. Dual side mode, very high, medium, and low. We also got spotlight mode. You can use it as a portable spotlight and take it to anywhere you go. And for the angle, it could do 360 degrees, which is very convenient, and you can adjust whatever angles you like. The maximum lumen is 1500 lumens, so it can cover a lot of kinds of situations. Like you could use it in your garbage projects, job site work, or some kind of DIY. It is bright enough. And it also has a memory function, which means after 8 seconds, if you hit the button, it will shut off directly, and you don't need to cycle through all the functions, all the modes, which is very convenient. And it can also charge your cell phone in an emergency time, so it can also be a power bank. So if you are interested in this versatile work light or needs a full specs, just check the link in bio and hit me up.